Let's add another page to our book by tapping on the plus sign at the right side of the screen. And now let's tap on the plus sign at the top of the screen to take a look at the other media elements that we can add into Book Creator. Let's quickly add another photo to our page. And we'll jump back to our album for Book Creator and grab this photo of my iPad screen, because maybe in my book I want to talk about my favorite iPad apps, since this is an All About Me book. I'll tap on that plus sign at the top of the screen again, and I'm going to tap on the pen tool. The pen tool is a really great feature in Book Creator that lets you write on the pages or draw on the pages or annotate over top of images on your page. As you can see here, there's kind of a transparent layer over top of my image right now. At the top of my page, I can change the default color from black ink by tapping on the inkwell, and I can select any of these other 12 standard Book Creator colors or tap on the More button and slide your finger across the spectrum of colors to select the exact color that you want, and then use the slider at the bottom of the page to lighten or darken that color to the exact shade that you want. Once you have that, tap on Apply at the top, and then using your finger or a stylus, you can write or draw on top of your image. So I can draw attention to my favorite apps here on the page. And I can label them. There's also an eraser tool, which you can use to erase. And then you can use the pen tool to correct that mistake. When you're finished annotating your image or drawing or writing, go ahead and tap on the Done button. And now you can see that your writing has become an image layer, which can be resized and moved around the page and placed exactly where you want it. When you have it in place and the size that you want, go ahead and tap anywhere on the page to close up that annotation layer.